Hey, it's Zosh with Hybrid Racing, and today we're discussing clutch release systems. Over the years, Hybrid has tested and created solutions to 1, help improve pedal feel, and 2, help get those perfect gear shifts. Since 2019, I've been running the Hybrid Racing clutch release system on all of my cars. My shifts wasn't as accurate, the pedal feel wasn't there, and when I first went K-swap back in 2018, I had to. It's one of those things, when you own a K-swapped car, one of the things you would want to do to improve driving and all the things is your clutch release system. And that's what I had to do. It's in my FA5, it's in my Turbo DC2 Integra. I've also had it in my RSX Type S. Newer systems have delay valves and dampers that reduces drivetrain shock, but also hampers quick shifts.
Now Zosh, how does it work?
When the clutch pedal is pressed, the piston inside the master cylinder converts pedal force into hydraulic pressure. That pressure then travels through the clutch line to the slave cylinder, which then moves the clutch fork and throwout bearing that acts against the clutch pressure plate. How quickly your pedal can turn this process into a disengaged clutch disc is the key. Delay valves slow the system down. Shift fast with a delay valve, and you could end up trying to shift into another gear before the pressure plate is fully disengaged. This can also cause gear lockouts. So why does this matter? Well, it matters because I know for sure you don't want inconsistent pedal feel. What does low quality look like? Most cheap aftermarket CMCs are made poorly and at an extreme low cost. Poor inner machining leads to inconsistent tolerances or bore sizing. Low cost materials typically fail under high load or heat conditions, which causes spongy pedal feel. Fluid bypasses the inner seals, leaking on the inside of the firewall. Premature failure, no seal at all, which ultimately is not suitable for upgraded clutch pressure plates. What does Hybrid Racing do? Easy. Helps keep results consistent, maintains reliability. We have strict quality requirements. Retrofit master and slave cylinders that don't contain delay valves. We offer full kit solutions. Our CMC kits are calibrated based on the application, so there is no need to adjust it. Doing this allows us to make sure proper geometry is maintained to prevent premature clutch wear or failure due to improper installation. Some kits include a slave cylinder and a high pressure stainless braided clutch line. So what cars do we offer these solutions for? We focus on the most popular platform that have the biggest issues, such as the 8th gen Civic, the 9th gen Civic, the DC5, the EP3, the TSX, the Civic Type-R, and older K-swap cars such as the EG, the DC, and the EK. So let's go over part number HYB CMC 0113. This kit includes a non-delay valve, master cylinder, and slave cylinder that is completed with a high-pressure stainless braided hose. Designed for K-swap cars where the full system should be changed. The conversion clutch line fits directly in the engine bay. This is a great option for any K-swapped EG, EK, or DC2. Now let's talk about our most popular kit, the HYB CMC 0120. This is one of our most popular kits, specifically designed to retrofit a non-delay valve system into a factory K-series equipped car. We designed our own CNC machine clevis and rod, which is pre-installed and calibrated during the assembly process. This is a bespoke part that we created, which keeps these parts more reliable and offer a trouble-free install. No adjustments in the pedal are needed to get proper clutch fork articulation. These also include a high-pressure braided clutch line to connect the system together. This kit is great for any 02 to 15 Civic Si, Acura RSX, ILX, CSX, K24 equipped 03 to 12 Honda Accords, and the Acura TSX and TL. Let's get into HYB CMC 0106. This is a great CMC upgrade for the golden era Hondas, man, like EG, EK, or DC2. This is a factory Honda S2000 master cylinder that can be retrofitted using our master cylinder spacer. The spacer is necessary to keep proper pedal engagement. Without it, good luck. This keeps the engine bay looking clean with the added benefit of having the fluid reservoir mounted directly on the master cylinder. So to recap, our clutch release systems offer an upgraded pedal feel, prevent gear lockouts, and have clean shifts each time. Build the system right the first time. Buy once, Cry once. Fortunately, you won't be crying here. If you have any questions, concerns, you want to purchase it, be sure to contact us today at hybridracing.com.